monkeys. And that Cooper's a bit ostentatious, isn't it? 4 bloody tailpipes. I hope you're enjoying this POV. Don't know why we didn't get to go. I think it's traffic coming from that way. Lovely old bike there. Look at the bike. Look at the bike. Look at that bike Triumph. Porsche. Fezza ST. This one I could push it, but it's wet, and why should I bother? Eh? Road behind me, empty, look at that, empty. Could do some speed. Could do. Yeah, alright, it's not that bad. Stop it. Stop it. Calm down. Speeding, mate, you're speeding, big time. 40 along here, most people observe it. I think I saw that one the other day. I bloody did. A shame. That Lexus taxi. Yeah. It's the one that came up my way. Smashed up. Shame, poor thing. Focus. Going in my lane. All right. Got to come back through this. It'll be worse too. Sunday. Fuck off. There he was. I knew that white Fiesta wanted this lane. He just wanted to let me go by, didn't he? Yeah. Well, I got an itch right underneath my headband. It's keeping my hair back. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's my car over there. I think it bloody is too. Gone now. Damn. It was my car. It was the one I've just been driving. Looked like it. There it is. There it is. He's just turned into Morrison's. Damn, I didn't get the plate. I'll get it on the cam. They're rare beasts. Go on, go on, go on, go on. I'm not going to see it now, am I? No. No, he's gone. Damn. Wants to go into third. No, because look, you don't want to go in third now because we're doing 17 miles an hour. Staying stacking. Now we can go into third. Sing something simple. Radio 2, Sunday afternoon. Lovely summer's drive. Sing something simple. Yeah, right. And next up we have the black and white minstrels for you. Hold on. Go on. Go on. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Lady who likes walking in the middle of the road. Oh, it's annoying me. And next, when I go home, I'll put the MPGs on for you. That's highly amusing, that is. You don't buy one of these wanting to look at an MPG screen, so I don't know why they bother. I suppose if you're a skinflint and you go down to sort of quarter of a tank or less, then it becomes vital. But by then you've already had Lady Ford saying to you, 50 miles, 40 miles, 30 miles, 20 miles, which she does incessantly, and it's annoying. What I would like is, in this one, is somewhere I could look to see what gear I was in. That was oversight. Because it would tell me what gear I'm in, as to I'd know what sort of acceleration I've got coming. And look at this weather. Look at this sky. Ugh. Ugh. Thunderstorms, snow, tornadoes. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, please don't. Tipping it down. Tipping it. it's nice having one of these cars, but you can only use it sort of 10% of the time if you're lucky. A, because to do so is illegal. B, finding the opportunity to do so is not easy. Oh, for fuck's sakes. It's gonna, oh no, that one isn't. Thank God for that. What's happened to the wind? It's something that it's something, yeah, shouldn't be doing that. That's ridiculous. Never done that before. And here we are, Jenny Cliff. Oh, HMOS, oh no, what's she called? Oh, damn. Yeah, that's where I'm going. Don't you park in my space, because I can see my space from here. Go on. It's a lady. And somebody's gonna nick it. Oh, that's that Merc going very quickly up behind me. These poles, hideous. Don't you fucking dare, mate. No, go on. He's got a crippled dick. Go on, that's it, you go there. There you go. This is what I do when I come to Jenny. You've seen the clips so many times before. This is the drive. Now you get a POV. Alright? Alright, man. Alright. Turn that off. Don't open the window because we don't have a smoke. Don't need to open the window, but I will. It's nice to have some fresh air. And turn her off. And then turn you off.